Welcome to SelectSignal, your structured system for trading Bitcoin and Ethereum. In this video, we'll walk through the tools, signals, and proof behind everything we do. This isn't built for gamblers chasing hype, it's built for real traders. We created SelectSignal for people who value structure, clarity, and consistency. If that's you, you're in the right place. Most signal platforms fail, and here's why. First, they copy and resell the same generic tools. There's no real edge. Second, they throw alerts at you with no structure, no system, just noise. And finally, no proof, no backtesting, no real-world results. That's not trading, that's gambling. With SelectSignal, you're not just getting alerts, you're getting an ecosystem. Our platform gives you clear, logic-backed signals, a proven track record of performance, scripts you can adapt inside TradingView, and ongoing updates and support from real traders and developers. We turn market noise into signal, from random alerts to structured logic, from guesswork to confidence. SelectSignal is how traders go from chasing trades to mastering strategy. Here's what you'll see inside the SelectSignal dashboard: a signal panel that highlights high-probability trades, a strategy view where you can backtest and monitor in real time, and a scorecard that shows you real performance, not just promises. Every signal is backtested, every strategy is verified. We're not asking you to take our word for it. The stats speak for themselves. Select Core, one of our tested systems for Bitcoin, delivered over 2,700% since 2018. Most platforms rely on indicators like RSI or MACD and hope for the best. SelectSignal is different. We give you a complete system with logic, filters, and a decision framework that works. The difference in performance says it all: 2703% with Select Core, compared to just 772% or less with traditional tools. SelectSignal isn't just a tool, it's a trading framework. It's built to grow with you. Adapt to any market, and guide your decisions with structure and logic, not emotion. When you join SelectSignal, here's what you get: a full strategy suite with proven scripts, transparent logic you can actually inspect, scheduled updates to keep your edge sharp, and ongoing education to level up your skills. If this helped you, subscribe for more. We release new videos every week, all built to help you trade smarter.